Hi, welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. So today I'm going to show you how to change the brake pad on the Toyota Alphard. Alright, I've shown you how it's done on the Inspira. So I'm going to do it for the Alphard as well. Alright, so we only need a couple of tools. We need a size 14mm wrench. Whatever you call this. A mallet. A flathead screwdriver. Brake grease. This is leaking, so it's wrapped. G-clamp, a piece of wood, or maybe the old brake pad will works, and also new brake pads. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, so that's done. Alright, that's changing the brake pads. Alright, now the next thing we need to check is the rotor. Alright, is it time to change the rotor? What is the thickness? Alright, so from what I can see, it seems that this rotor has not been skimmed before, and it does seem pretty new or pretty hardly used. Alright, so I've already checked on the user manual. This rotor's recommended size is recommended thickness is 28 mm and minimum thickness is 26 mm. So if this is lesser than 26 or close to 26, then it's time to change the rotor. But if it's not near there, then it's alright. Okay, so to check the thickness, I have this thickness gauge or whatever you call this. Okay, so let's just have a look. Yep, so it's at about 27.9798. So like I said, this seems very new. I do not see much of a wear, so most likely the previous owner have actually just changed this. So save money for me, all right? I don't have to change this. Okay, so remember, recommended thickness 28 mm, or when it's brand new is 28 mm. Minimum thickness is 26 mm. So anything lower than 26, you better change it. All right. You know what? I think this is the end of the DIY. I've already changed the rotor. Okay, so you might be wondering where did I use the grease. So for this case, I did not use it because the nut up here seems to be very smooth. So there's no need to remove the nut up here to re-grease it. Okay. Yeah, simple. Okay, let's talk about time. Less than 5 minutes. Okay, less than 5 minutes to change the brake pads. As long as you have everything ready, all right? You need a G-clamp, you need a piece of wood to push the piston. You need a 14 mm wrench to open the nut on the bottom here. Okay, and you need a screwdriver to pry it up and to pry the old brake pads. Pretty simple. All right, so yeah. If you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like, and hit the share. All right? Please subscribe. I really appreciate it. All right? Because every subscription counts. All right? Till next time, I will see you again.